Hi, this is Lindsay and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a part of my channel. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe and stay a while. I do several videos a week on paper crafting, junk journals, and things like that. Junk journal supplies, paper crafting supplies, and stuff like that. So I have a journal to share with you today. This is just a basic junk journal. It is unembellished, but there are a lot of embellishments included with it. This is a very special journal for two reasons. The first reason is because it is using a beautiful junk journal kit by Tracy Fox. She is Love Junk Journals over on Etsy, and I will have her shop link below. She was kind enough to send me this kit to work with, and it's called Nature's Epiphany, and it is one of the most beautiful journal kits that I have worked with. It is just such a beautiful, calming, peaceful, lovely natural kit. So that is the first reason why this is special. I love Tracy's work. And second, this journal is for Ellie. Ellsie Bels bookshelf, Ellie Wilder. She is loved in the junk journal community for her kindness and her sweetness, and she's a wonderful artist. Her husband passed away within this past week, and this journal is for her. She ordered a journal, just one of my $10 journals, because she wanted something to write all of her feelings and everything about him and what has happened into a journal. So I contacted her and said, you know, honey, you need that money, and I'll be glad to just send you a journal. So I thought this was a perfect use of this kit, and just passing on the love that Tracy sent to me. And also I just think the whole natural thing is very restful and peaceful, and I hope it'll bring a little bit of peace to her soul. So let's get into the journal. Also, if you would consider donating to help Ellie, she has 5 young, small children, and they are alone and trying to get their feet on the ground and everything settled out the way they need to. I have in my Facebook group, I will make it a pinned post, but she has a GoFundMe account as well as a PayPal that you can donate to. So if you just go, description box below, my Facebook group will be there. And if you go there, then you'll see that pinned post with all of her information. I don't want to put her personal information on YouTube. So here we go. All right, so here we have this beautiful cardstock, and this is not part of the kit, it's just a cardstock, and I did gold inking, so it's kind of like this kind of gilded look to it. There's one signature, 60 pages. This is one of the ephemera pieces from the kit. I kept it real simple, just stitched around it and glued, and then there's some flower stitching here on the side. So this is a blank journal. This is 2 pieces of cardstock sewn together, so this is just another beautiful piece of cardstock. There's a vintage floral book page, some music paper, parchment paper, and this is one of the lined pages from Nature's Epiphany. It's a great background page. And then I left these pages white. She is a wonderful journal artist, so she can do art journaling or whatever she wants on it. This is a grammar lesson on pronouns. There's a little like children's writing paper. Beautiful page from the kit. They just make me so peaceful when I look at them. Here's another page from the kit. And I did not realize it till now. Her husband's name is James, and it says Grand Hotel St. James. So that might be just a little special. I know it would be to me. Wildflowers. Look at this page. One of my favorites. I love that bee. This one as well. Look at that. So gorgeous. And this one with the dragonfly. And this one too with the bird in the nest. The middle, and then you're going to see the other side of the gorgeous pages. Definitely go get Tracy's kit. You will not be disappointed. I definitely want to work with this kit again and do some different types of journals with it if I get a chance. But I definitely can think of no better use for this journal kit than to send a journal made with it to Ellie. And then in the back, there is a brown paper bag that is hot glued on, and inside of it are all of the ephemera pieces from the kit cut out and inked, so she can use them throughout the journal. So here's one piece, and then the rest of them are all in the bag. So here's a little parcel post tag with a moth on it. There are 2 bingo cards, and these are printed on 67-pound cardstock. There's like an alphabet chart with a dragonfly, a little 79-cent tag with some bird cages in the background, some vintage receipts and tickets, lots of tickets, some tags, beautiful, I love that bee. And then these are like tuck spots, like little pockets. And I think one thing, I don't know if something she would want to do or not, but I know she could journal all in here and then glue it onto a page and then kind of have some secret journaling and some feelings and things she may just want to get out, but maybe not necessarily want to look at every time. So that is something that would be a possibility as well. So all 3 of those are like that. And then there are 2 little envelopes that are super cute, and the same thing, she can write on it and then close it up if she wants to. So I love Tracy's kit. So beautiful. Thank you, Tracy, for designing it and letting me work with it. And I love you too, Ellie, and praying for you. I hope you enjoy this journal and it gives you a little bit of peace. I'll see all of you in the next video. Don't forget to go over to my Facebook group so you can get that donation information for Ellie. Have a lovely day.